Your customers are messaging you right now on WhatsApp. But one phone, one person, too many conversations and things slip through. Meet WaDesk. Bring every conversation into one shared inbox, assign it, track it, resolve it as a team. Build automations that greet, qualify, and book, running themselves day and night. Let AI answer your chats and even pick up your calls in a natural voice around the clock. Reach thousands in a single tap and see exactly who opens and who clicks. Show your catalog, take the order, send the payment link, and close the sale right inside the chat. Or launch the whole thing as your own WhatsApp SaaS, your brand, your plans, your customers. WaDesk.